This is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com, making a video here just kind of looking at the market. And something that we need to consider is this, and this is probably the best word I can come up with market action recently. It's kind of squishy, just a little squishy. I'm not raging bull, not raging bear. No, I don't want to get into that label. It's just kind of squishy. I want to show you something here that I think will help. Here's the S&P 500. It's not bad. Went up, but just kind of not, it's okay. It's all right. Here's the NASDAQ comp. Just kind of flopping around here a little bit. But this is my point. This is a list of stocks. I'm going to go through two lists of stocks that were written up that had good write-ups in IBD or max list stocks. Here we go. Here's Adobe. Every stock I'm going to show you has had a good write-up from Investors Daily the last month to month and a half. Adobe's okay. Bowsen just, kind of goes up, goes down, flopping around here a little bit. Tries to get going, really can't get going. Coop kind of grinds up, just tedious, nothing to. Cyber, nothing. EDU, nothing. EEF2, this is just slow and ponderous. It's just tentative. Home Depot, it's okay. But, goes up, breaks out, gives it all right back. This one's been good. This one's good. Keys, just flopping. There's nothing there. This is a good one. Okay, Kirkland. Lockheed's okay. Defense is all right. Lulu, this is not a good bar, folks. Well, that's a green bar. Gaps up, closes near its lows. Then it runs up, reverses, and drops. This isn't great action, okay? You're not going to see this in a Bill O'Neill book saying, well, this is what you want to look for. No, that ain't going to be there, okay? McDonald's is kind of grinding up, okay? MDB went up. It's okay. It's okay, not bad. Microsoft is decent. Match Group, zigzagging around here. Just zigzagging. Now, tried to get going and can't push. Okta has been decent, okay? This is an ugly bar to tell you the truth, but if it can take these tops out here, it could be good. Paycom, kind of grinding, but Ring's nothing. That's a new issue, that's nothing. Shops, kind of grinding up, that's good to see. Smartsheet, okay, but no big push. Team, tentative. This is lifted, and it's gone up a little bit. I'm not negative. This is doing nothing. All right. Uber, nothing. Upland, nothing. Vive lifted, and that's okay. That's okay. Wix, tentative. Walmart broke out of here. Okay, and that one's decent. Okay. ZS has been tentative. Let's go to the max list here and just take a look. We'll start with the Qs flopping around. QLD is representative of that. Here we go. Spiders, we looked at that earlier. SSO. IWM, kind of lagging here. TNA is the leverage one. Here's Apple. It's nothing like this. Amazon, fell hard, did a V-bottom and bounced. That's good. Not a steady trend right there, though. Baba, that's not so good in my book. Baidu is not so good in my book. Facebook, gaps up, runs down, drops hard, shoots back up. That kind of a V-bottom like the market. Is there a clean entry on this? Not really. Okay, flopping around. Again, I'm not negative. Goldman Sachs is nothing. Google's really nothing. Netflix is just flopping around back and forth. There's no headway there. Nvidia, ugh. Square, just nothing great. You're not going to see this chart pattern in a book. All right, I'll just tell you that right now. Tesla, no. Twitter, no. Visa's been okay. They're both, by the way, it's ironic. Visa, MasterCard, both in a leading group. But you can get my point. Action's been a little squishy. So what has been our response? What have we been doing? Have you noticed? We're not doing a lot of buying. And it's not that I don't want to. Believe me, I want to. But we want to make sure that everything lines up properly for us. If not, we just take more of a cautious defensive stance. And that's kind of where it's at. I don't argue with the markets. I don't forecast, oh, it's got to do this. No. When we accept the fact that we don't know the future, we see the future clearer. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I hope that helps you, and I thank you very much. Last point. I am the eternal raging bull. I love the market, but I also listen to it every day. Listen to what it says. Markets talk, our job, listen with an open mind and act. So thank you now.